Well, hi there, everybody. Good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here, as we've had a fairly active night, early morning out there with numerous showers and storms, even a little bit of severe weather even up till just after midnight. But things are a little less active now, at least when it comes to the strong to severe thunderstorms out there. Still ongoing activity, though, this morning, which will slowly fade back as we go through the day today, and then kind of set the stage for maybe some more severe weather later on today. So again, look for the activity to die down somewhat, although there's still a chance of some showers and storms throughout the entire day, but chances will pick up late this afternoon and in this evening. Basically, what's going to happen is a frontal boundary will stall out somewhere in central or southern Nebraska, maybe northern Kansas, but probably closer to the I-80 corridor here. And it's near that frontal boundary where we have the best chance of seeing storms develop later on today. Now, how they develop, that will be a big question. If there's a decent cap in the environment, that could prevent some of them from firing, but if they do break through that cap, they could be explosive in nature. If we have them all go up at once sometime this afternoon, maybe not as much in the way of severe storms because they wouldn't be as explosive. So we'll have to watch and wait and see on that. Also, again, I think supercells are going to be a possibility, so all modes of severe weather would be possible as they continue right into the evening hours. And even overnight, still a chance of, at least a slight chance of severe thunderstorms late into the night as we see more activity coming in out of the west. So there's going to be an ongoing chance all the way through the night right into early tomorrow morning. And as we head into the daytime hours tomorrow, maybe some lingering showers and storms early in the morning. We may see another bit of a lull in the activity, but I do expect the chance of some more storms developing late in the day and into tomorrow night. Even though Futurecast isn't showing this here, I think it is still a possibility, and the severe threat would be there once again. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, and this is the update that came in around 1 o'clock this morning, so there will be a couple of more updates before we see storms fire up late this afternoon. The Storm Prediction Center has an enhanced risk of severe weather from around Interstate 80 southward in central and eastern Nebraska and northern Kansas, and then also an enhanced risk back to the west. Pretty much everybody else under a slight risk of severe storms, and I think all modes of severe weather are going to be possible. Isolated tornadoes of potential, as well as damaging winds and large hail. So we're going to have to watch that threat later on today. Now, tomorrow, most of us only under a marginal risk with a slight risk in far southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, and then back to the west. I could see more of us being under a slight risk tomorrow, and maybe somebody even an enhanced risk of severe weather. Something we'll have to keep an eye on, as what happens later today and tonight will impact what happens for tomorrow. Highs for today, a pretty good range, upper 70s, lower 80s up north. Most of us will top out in the 80s today. Again, a lot of this will depend on where that frontal boundary ends out later this afternoon. Could even break 90 degrees down towards Phillipsburg and Plainville, Kansas later this afternoon. I'll go with lower to mid 80s as you get out towards the east. Your extended forecast, mostly low to mid 80s for highs, lows in the low to mid 60s, pretty uniform. Again, a lot of that dependent on that frontal boundary, which could stay in the area for several days to come, and I have at least a small chance of showers and storms in the forecast each and every day all the way through the 7-day forecast. Of course, the best chances with higher confidence the next couple of days, and of course, watching that severe weather threat. So, of course, keep posted to social media. I'll be updating you if there are any changes to the forecast when it comes to that severe weather threat later on today. Otherwise, be safe, and of course, join Tim later on today. He'll keep you posted if any severe thunderstorms would provide the potential for maybe some tornadoes later on today. So there's your forecast for this Wednesday. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you have a great day.